Have you ever had this happen when you get a new punch? You can see little bits of oil around it. Can you see that through the screen? So what that does, when you punch, what happens is it actually gets your paper quite oily around there. So we want to get rid of that to start. So what I do is I use just my regular alcohol that you can get at the drugstore. This is 99%, and a paper towel. And first thing I'm going to do is I am going to just put some alcohol onto my paper towel, and I'm going to get all of that area around here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm just going to wipe everything on that punch right from the top. And I'm going to let that dry really briefly, because with this type of alcohol, with any type of alcohol, what happens is it just evaporates really quickly. So let's just see if we manage to improve it. And you can see how much oil was around the outside here. Let's see if we've fixed it yet. Okay, so we're gonna just take that one, and we can see there's still quite a bit of alcohol around there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a Q-tip, so just a couple of your regular Q-tips, and I'm going to do the same thing. What I find easiest is I just put a little bit into the top of my lid, and then I just go around and I clean off, the inside. And then I close it, and I clean around here as much as I can too. So all we're doing is getting that oil right out of there. Doesn't take very much really to clean that off. And let's just try that again on another piece of paper. So let that dry briefly. It will just evaporate. Let's go in and give that another shot. So if I'm looking just at my cutout, it's looking quite a bit better. And I still have a little bit around the outside edges. And what you can do is just punch it a few more times, and the paper should absorb that. Okay, so it's still there. So just punch some more until you see that it disappears. So that's a way that you can get rid of that oil so that you can create. And you want to do that with every one of your punches, because some are better than others in terms of how much oil they have. I hope you enjoyed that tip. I have all kinds of them that will make your paper crafting quicker, easier, and less frustrating. Have a wonderful day.